In this video, I will show you how to write multiplication sign in Microsoft Word document. So there are some methods you can type. First and easy method, you will find a key on your keyboard, and if you not find this key, so you can use this equation, insert and equation, and select it. Another way, insert equation and slash, type times and press space bar. You can type this symbol slash and type times, press space bar. Make sure you don't need to type press enter. This time you have to press space bar one time. That's it. So thanks for watching.